Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 200. This mid-sized sedan from Chrysler is loaded with modern comforts. Thicker seats, LED lighting, and noise dampeners are just a few. This 200 model for Chrysler takes an aggressive step into a competitive market and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.